What's up, everyone? This is Josh for Fair RC, bringing you a close look at the all-new CR18P from Hobby Plus. If you have not already, hit subscribe and the notification bell to be sure not to miss out on all the new offerings from Fair RC. Alright, so the box arrived undamaged, looks pretty cool, has a list of features on the front, cool schematic on the back of the truck, looks great. After clipping 2 zip ties, the truck came out very easily. In the box underneath is the radio transmitter and a bag with your charger, screwdriver, and a wheel wrench. Also included is this very nice manual that has everything that you need to for the transmitter, for charging, run times, and exploded views on every part of the car, as well as a list of all of the features and part numbers to replace any of the parts on the vehicle. All right, the Trail Hunter comes ready to run, everything you need except AAA batteries. You need 4 AAA batteries. The Trail Hunter is sporting an all-new portal design from Hobby Plus, featuring all metal gears, bulletproof gears in the differential and the portals, and allows for 45 degrees of steering and an 80 centimeter turning radius. Pretty good. Now the body is held on by screws, no more having to deal with clips or Velcro or anything like that with wonky bodies. It is 1.3 millimeter Lexan, so not quite a hard body, but it does have a load of detail with the door handles, mirrors that are flexible, not going to break, and check that. Real glass. We have real mirror inside the mirror. Pretty cool for a scale feature. We have a nice long bed, over 80 degrees on our departure angle. Got some jerry cans, nice boxes underneath. Here's our battery switch to turn on and off, and our battery box. We no longer have to take the body off to access the battery. It just comes right in here, unplug it, charge it up, put it back in there, and let's get on the rocks. Let's check this thing out. On our transmitter, we had to adjust the dual rate, which is right here. For our steering, we had to turn that up slightly just to get that 45 degrees. Other cool features, we can reverse the steering, we can reverse the motor. The first dip switch here is for forward reverse or forward brake reverse. So we have it up for forward reverse. The second dip switch is for NiCad or LiPo. We have it down for LiPo. And the third and fourth dip switches are for drag brake. We have the first one up. I believe that's for 50% drag brake. We also have a third channel here, and using the fourth channel for the lights, we give it a tap, however many times, looks like 3 times for on, 2 more times for off. There we go, 1 more time, on. There we go, we have headlights. Looking good. Turn them around, and we have tail lights. Pretty cool. Look at that. Look at that slow control. Wow. All right, so with these new electronics, you have ultimate slow control. As little as I can push the button, the throttle, just barely. Very nice. The Trail Hunter is equipped with 1.2-inch beadlock wheels with soft rubber tires. Feel really good. Have foams in them as well. Very nice. Have an extra wheel here on the back. Looking very nice. We have loaded scale features. We even have windshield wipers, a snorkel, nice bumper, very nice. Hobby Plus is really going for performance with this model, having 60 degrees on our approach angle, huge ground clearance with these portal axles in the middle, down the center and from the side on the belly, and over 80 degrees on our departure angle. With the new electronics in the Hobby Plus CR18P, and the 104-to-1 gear reduction in the transmission, this thing has very, very good slow speed control. You can see it on the rocks. It has great torque. At this price point, this model is a great addition to your collection or a great way to get into the hobby. Just with this performance, the quality, very, very nice. You can't beat it. If you're still here, please again, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Put a question down there if you have any. What do you think about the new model? What do you think about Hobby Plus? Are you guys familiar? Will you guys be getting one? Let us know in the bottom. Again, this is Josh for Fair RC. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a great day.